Hi friend, Marian here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So today we'd like to have a shout out for Malaysia. So it's one of the new countries watching our blog, no? So fourth country, one, two, three, four, five, six countries. So Philippines, Indonesia, US, India, Myanmar, and Malaysia. So thank you for the people of Malaysia. Siguro they're OFW who are looking for a place where they can see their kabayan. So, kabayan, thank you for watching our vlog. So, Malaysia is in Asia, one of the countries in Asia. So, para siyang Philippines kasi marami siyang beaches and rainforest. And also, they came from the Malay and Chinese heritage. So, di ba marami din Chinese. And we also came from the Malay race. So, ang capital niya is Kuala Lumpur. So, yan. Nandun din ang Petronas Twin Tower. So, in the future, we're looking forward visiting Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia so that we can meet these people watching our blog. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you on our next video.